Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to look at using citing a bibliography using a book and a picture. So the first thing you're going to need to do is log into EasyBib. So as we take a look, easybib.com. Okay, now we've gone over this before, but I do want this screencast so that you can reference back to it. Now the book I'm going to be looking at, and I'm going to start with my book first, is Who Was Thomas Alva Edison? Now you want to be really specific on what you're looking for. So who was Thomas Alva Edison? Now if I've typed in everything correctly, it's going to give me a list of possibilities to choose from. Well, the one I want to choose from is the one by Margaret Frith. So I'm going to say cite this one. I'm going to go ahead. I want the whole book. I can choose to use a chapter or whatever, but this information looks accurate to me. So I'm going to create my citation. Okay. Now it's going to create it down here, and since you see I was working with the other class with this, I've got a couple already on here. So I'm going to go ahead and erase the ones from last hour. But you can see there's my citation. Okay? Here it is down here also. Now, I want to add another citation and then do it all at the same time. So what I'm also going to look to cite at this point is I'm going to go and I want to cite a digital image. So to cite a digital image, I need to go ahead to all 59 options. I need to see where it says digital image. And I need to get my page set up so that I can import a digital image. I'm then going to go back up and choose to look for a picture of Thomas Alva Edison. Within my images, I should be able to find a good picture. Oh, this looks like a painting. Why not use that one? I'm going to go to View Image. I'm then going to go ahead and copy this and go back to create an MLA digital image. Now the big thing about this is I need to go down to the URL, which I just copied, and I need to paste it in. Now that's not enough here because I want to put more information. I'm going to title this picture image of, or actually I'm going to say Thomas Edison. The description would then be image of Thomas Edison. The website title was Google. That's where I got it from. I don't know about the publisher or any of the others, but I do note that I accessed it on the 24th of November 2014. So I'm going to go ahead and then create my citation. So now if I go down, I should see that I have two citations, the one for the book and the one for the digital image. So what I want to now do is create my works cited. So I'm going to click them both. I'm going to export it. I have one of two choices. I'm going to actually I have 5 choices, but what I want to do is I'm going to either save to Google Drive or save to Word doc. So the first one I'm going to do is Google Drive. This one's the easier one. I'm going to allow it to access, and I'm going to go check it out on my Google Drive because it's going to make it, and there it is. It's already created for me. It says Works Cited. It shows me my book, and it shows me my digital image. Now I never want to leave anything like that as EasyBib. You can, but I'm going to change it to Works Cited, and I'm going to say OK. So now I have it saved within my Google Drive. Now if I don't have access to Google Drive, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it as a Word document. So I'm back to my original page. I'm going to export it, but this time I'm going to say print as a Word document. So I'm going to download it, and I can see down here that it's downloaded. So I will open it up. Same thing. I've created the page, I have my book, and I have my digital image. The only thing I'm going to do differently here is save as and go to the site where I want to save it. Typically you kids have your accounts there. I'll just go ahead and save it to documents and go ahead and hit save. Okay, it's telling me it's a different layout. That's fine. But again, I have that saved. So a quick and easy way to cite your evidence and to save it either to Google Docs or Microsoft Word.